Hi, this is Holly Olson and this is my enhancement 6. As you can see, all my CSS validated. This is for my login page and it doesn't like the Google font line even though I put in the code. And it also does not like the PHP or the stuff written within the PHP. Here is for my administrator, my admin page, and it also doesn't like the PHP or the thing with the text. Now I'll take you to my page. Here we are. I'm still working on getting this to be filled in, but I push my account, takes me here. I'm going to log in as me right now, just so I can show you the admin page when it's a client 1, level 1. Okay, and I push submit. Takes me here to the administrator page, and as you see, it has my information. Holly Olson, first name Holly, last name Olson, email ols12041@byui.edu, level 1. So I go here, and here's my logout. I can push log out. Takes me back here to the first page, and I will push my account, and I need to register. Okay, so I need to register the admin user, and it's UP. Okay, and it brings me back here. Now I can log in. So SUP3RUER. I push submit. It takes me saying I'm a level 1. So I need to go in here to the database, push refresh, and there's the admin. And if I push edit, I can come down here, make him a client 3, and go back here and refresh this page. Now it says I'm a client 3 and it shows you the products link. You could click on there and it takes you to either add a new category or add a new product. And these are still functioning properly. Let's add Big Bang. And as you can see, it added it to the bar. And I could go here to add a new category. I think I'll add it to the Big Bang category. The name will be loud. Description: big and loud explosion that sucks everything into it. Product image, there is none right now. There's no thumbnail. The price is $1,398. There's only one available. The product size is 2 feet. It weighs 1 pound. Location is Seguin. Vendor is Scamsum. Product material is a bit of everything. And then I'll add that. It says, thank you for adding loud. We will enjoy it. And if we go here and go into categories, just so you can see, we did the Big Bang. And inventory, it is called loud. Big and loud. Explosive that sucks everything into it. And as you can see, everything is fine with that. So, thank you. Let me go back here. So you've added things in and maybe you want to leave. Well, you can go home and it says welcome admin because you're the admin, but you could push log out. It still says welcome admin. I don't understand that, but you are logged out. Oh, I do understand that because if we go here and go to view cookie information, as you can see, it's got the admin in there. And if I delete him and then go back to here and push refresh, it gets rid of it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my video.